Let's get a handle on what indirect objects are in this lesson. Before we can begin to understand what indirect objects are, we need to first have a strong grasp of direct objects. So let's do a quick review of direct objects first. Let's start with a regular sentence. I gave a gift. We have a subject, I, a verb, gave, and a direct object, a gift, because that's what was given. It receives the action of the verb. So far, so good with direct objects? Okay, now let's make it more specific. I gave my friend a gift. In this sentence, a gift is still the direct object because it's the thing being given. It's receiving the action of the verb. But who is receiving the gift? Friend. And that's the indirect object, the person or thing receiving the direct object. Here's a tip. The indirect object is always going to be sandwiched between your verb and the direct object. So you're going to have your verb, then your indirect object, and then your direct object. If it's an indirect object, then it won't appear anywhere else in the sentence. It has to appear between your verb and your direct object. For example, let's look at this sentence. I gave a gift to my friend. This sentence has the same meaning as the one before, but its grammatical structure has changed. The word friend is no longer the indirect object because it doesn't come between the verb and the direct object anymore. Now the word friend comes after a preposition, which makes that anyone? Anyone? The object of the preposition. See the difference? Here's one more sentence. She told Harvey a story. Direct object? Story, because that's what she told. Story receives the action of the verb told. Indirect object? Harvey, because Harvey is the one to whom she told the story, and Harvey comes after the verb and before the direct object. Easy, right? Now try coming up with your own sentences using indirect objects. You've got this.